Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. We're back once again at Spotify Camp Nou, one day closer to the completion of this historic transformation. It feels great to be back here at our stadium, returning once again to follow this incredible project that is slowly becoming reality. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel continue bringing you consistent coverage of this incredible project. From the lateral side, the scale of the stadium is breathtaking. After several rainy days, conditions are finally improving, allowing work to move forward again. Activity across the third tier remains intense, with prefabricated seating and stair elements continuing to arrive. Another prefabricated staircase is being positioned toward the North Goal, and there are now very few remaining to be installed. Each new piece brings the third tier closer to completion. Today's focus is on one of the most important structural elements of the entire rebuild, the massive Capitel beam. The tower crane slings are already attached, and everything suggests that this could be the day we see the second major beam lifted into position on the third overhang. At ground level, work on the elevator cores has clearly restarted. Concrete wall panels are being installed to close the shafts, and door openings for future elevators are already visible. This confirms that the project has entered a new phase. Ceramic louvre installation is also gaining momentum. Along the south goal and lateral sections, support structures are already in place, and pallets of ceramic panels continue to arrive. Within the next few months, these louvres will dramatically change the stadium's exterior appearance. If you're finding these updates useful, please like the video and subscribe to Megaverse Builds. It really helps support the channel. Next, inside the VIP ring, glazing work is advancing steadily. Aluminum profiles are now installed across much of the perimeter, and large glass panels are being lifted into place. Pallets of glass continue to arrive, confirming that enclosure of the hospitality areas is well underway. We now move into the Tribuna, where interior progress is becoming more visible every day. Escalators are already fitted with handrails, while electrical work continues inside the stair structures. Several interior walls are being painted, and drywall installation appears nearly complete across multiple sections. From here, we head to the North Goal. Activity remains consistent, with crews working on pipe supports, interior corridors, and facade anchoring systems. Scaffolding and formwork are still in place, showing that more phases are coming soon. Third-tier seating installation continues at a strong pace, with only a few remaining gaps left to close this section completely. That's where we'll wrap up today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Even on days filled with suspense and delays, every moment brings us closer to seeing this stadium fully realized. Thank you for being part of the journey with Megaverse Builds. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for daily updates. And we'll be back very soon with more progress from one of the most ambitious stadium projects in the world.